Today we're at the Future Fashion Factory Showcase, which is exhibiting all the exciting innovations that have come through an exciting project.
It's been fantastic to see partners that we haven't seen for a while because everyone's been beavering away in their factories and in their design studios. And really it's about celebrating the research and development over the last 4.5 years.
This is the Future Fashion Factory Showcase 2023.
When we had our first event, which was at Salts Mill, we then had members of about over 100. Now we're about 600 members.
What I see today, which you don't see every day, is the huge levels of interest, innovation and expertise going into this. It feels very, very positive.
It's a pivotal moment for fashion and textiles. The next decade's going to redefine the whole industry.
The impact that Future Fashion Factory has had on the industry, and particularly around this region and the UK, is phenomenal.
We're trying to make the industry more sustainable. We're trying to transition to circular economies and keep materials in circulation for as long as we can.
Just to sit in the lecture hall and listen to some of the smallest businesses reaching out for that support, and the academic world responding to that, is something else.
Size doesn't matter in this. Everyone's worked well together.
We have people in the room who are creatives. We have industry experts. We have people who are doers, who get their hands dirty, who make things, who have heritage craft skills.
And when you can make that connection, that's where real innovation happens, and that's where you get real global competitive advantage.
We're launching a new initiative called Vivo Biome. The proposition is the future is at our feet.
New collaborations, new ways of working.
We're literally using technology to go back to how footwear was made 10,000 years ago.
It's about what that person's bringing, what innovation, what ideas.
We believe that making products on demand that are genuinely in service of human and planetary health is the future, and I can't achieve that type of systemic change without collaboration, and it's great to be talking about what that means here.
We're looking at using artificial intelligence to give us the objective of being able to converse with a designer the properties of a fabric. So, you know, in there is access to information that we don't have within our business that we need.
We see textiles as being a really important part of our heritage, but also part of our future as well.
What we're doing here today is convening people in a meaningful way, having every voice in the room, and that's how we're going to make change.
Being able to fund projects which are now really showing results. Seeing that in some of the rooms today and meeting some of the people, the results are there to see.
We'll continue developing FFF into the future. It needs to continue supporting the industry, and that's exactly what we will do.
It's essential to the future of the industry, I think, in the UK. It will take forward innovative ideas, it will create creativity. We've got to carry on, and we need a Future Fashion Factory for the future.